Good morning to all of you. Welcome to all in online education, which is conducted by Brun Mumbai Municipal Corporation. First of all, I'll introduce myself. My name is Ramnath Dashrath Sontakke. I am from Shudi Cross Road, Mumbai Public School. I am your expert teacher. Uh, for this online education, for this today's lecture, credit goes to our administrative officer, Mrs. Snehalata Dumbre Madam, nodal bid officer, Mr. Sharad Kurade sir, nodal HM, Mrs. Mary Pushpam Paul Madam, assistant nodal HM, Mrs. Manpreet Kaur Anand ma'am, and CNO, Mr. Ratilal Kisan Burungule sir. Children, today we are going to learn an interesting part of mathematics, and it is very interesting. Can you see the mobile screen over here? Can you see the screen, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll ask some questions to you.
Yes,
You
sir.
just try to answer the questions. First of all, tell me the first picture which is just next to 1 upon 8. Which picture is that?
This is a pizza. This was a pizza.
Okay, very nice. Pizza. Okay. You all like to eat, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me what thing do you see over here in the pizza
There was a
picture?
boxes. There are not triangle.
Okay, triangles are there. Okay, some children are saying triangles are there. Good. Okay, good. Can you see the picture down to the left side? Can you see the
Yes.
squares over here?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me, is that square divided into the equal parts? These squares are divided into equal parts. Can you see the parts over there? Small, small squares over there in the big
Yes,
square?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Out of, okay, how many equal parts are there in the square?
4.
4. Okay, out of 4, in the first square, how many are colored?
1. 4.
Okay, 1. Next to that square, which is there in the middle,
Half. 2 part. 4 upon 2.
2 parts are colored over there. Okay,
Yes.
good, very good, very good, excellent. Now just see the 4 circles to the right side. Can you tell me how many how many circles are there?
3 circles.
3 circles are there. Okay. 4 circles are there, beta. Okay, can you tell me what do you see in the circle? The
There
circle is
are
divided.
yes, sir. Circle are divided into triangles. 3 parts to and 4 parts. In the down.
Okay, the circle. Yes, yes, excellent. The circle is divided into the equal parts. Very good, excellent. So, can you tell me what do we call to divide a number or to divide a figure into the equal parts?
Fraction. Fraction.
Excellent,
Fraction.
excellent, excellent. It is a fraction. Good. So, children, today we are going to see the scholarship fraction part which we have in 5th standard. As we all know that fraction means dividing a whole diagram or whole number into the equal parts. Into the equal parts.
Equal parts.
So here you can see, yeah, here you can see circles are there.
Yes.
See the first one, it is a complete. Okay, and just next to the first circle there is one more circle which is in green color. It is divided into how many parts? Good, excellent. Next to it,
Third parts. Three parts.
3 parts are there. Good. Next to it,
Four parts.
okay. So like this, we can divide a circle in many equal parts. It up to you. It up to us. How many equal parts we need to make? Okay. Now, in the fraction, we all know that we are having types of fractions. Okay, but before going to start to learn about the types of fraction, tell me the fraction of the shapes which you can see here. Tell me the first. What thing will come in the first?
In first there was come two. There are two circles.
Okay, why two?
Of the circle
Okay, why two will come?
there was a two. Because there was a two parts.
Okay, because how many parts are there? There are 2 parts. Very good. So total parts which we write where? In the down box or in the up box? Means in which box we will write?
In down box.
Very good, excellent, excellent, very nice. So first what will come? 1 upon 2. Okay. Second, next to it. The second circle which is next to it. How many equal parts are there?
Sir, which question are you asking?
I am asking beta the circle which is in the right side. The first one.
Sir, in the first down.
This one.
Okay.
What will come?
Equal. So, 4 equal.
Okay, how many equal parts are there? Just tell me.
4.
How many total parts are there?
4.
So that will come where? Below the line.
And one part.
And how many are colored?
One part is colored.
That will come?
1 upon 4.
It is 1 upon 4. Excellent. Okay, what will come here?
1 upon 6.
Excellent. 1 upon 6. Next to it.
2 upon 3. 2 upon
It
3.
is very good. It is 2 upon 3. Very nice. In this?
1 upon 9.
1 upon 9. Is
9.
it correct, beta? How many equal parts are there?
1 upon 8. 1 upon 8.
It's 1 upon 8 will come. Very good. What about this?
3 upon 4. 3 upon 4.
Very good. 3 upon 4. We write colored part in the
1 upon 3. 1 upon 3.
very good. Very good. 1 upon 3. What about this?
3 upon 6. 6 upon 3 is 3 upon 6.
Very good. 3 upon 6. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now let me. Okay. So today we are going to learn about fractions. So before going to start fraction, we should know about what is fraction. Fraction is a part of whole number. Fraction is a part of whole number. Okay. Which we have to make whole number into the equal parts. Okay, we have to divide the whole number into the equal part. That is called fraction. Can you read the fraction which is here in the screen? Which is the first fraction over here? Yes.
1
Yes.
upon 2.
Okay, very nice.
3 upon 7. 6 upon 10.
Very nice.
6 upon 10.
Okay, very good. And the last one?
4 upon 99.
Excellent. 4 upon 99. Good. Now, what is fraction actually? What is the definition of fraction over here? A fraction is a way of representing division of whole into parts. Means what we do in the fraction, we divide a whole into the parts. We divide whole into the parts, and if we want to show how to write the fraction, a fraction has a particular mathematical form. What do we write above the line? It is a numerator. What is that? Numerator. And the number which we write below the line, that is called denominator.
Denominator.
It is denominator. Okay, so children, see here the line which is in between numerator and denominator. What do we call to that line? It is a fraction bar. What is it?
Fraction bar.
Fraction bar. Or one more word is there. What we can say? It is vinculum.
Vinculum.
What is it?
Vinculum.
Vinculum. The number which is above the fraction bar, that is called numerator, and the number which is there below the fraction bar, that is called denominator. Okay, but the line which is there in between numerator and denominator, it is called vinculum. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the next, we are now going to see what is exactly numerators and denominators. What is numerator? Numerator is the number of part chosen. Means if you are having 10 chocolates in your pocket, but if you eat 3 chocolate out of 10 chocolate, so how many you had? How many you have taken from the 10 chocolates? You have taken 3. So 3. These are the parts which we have chosen from the total number of chocolates.
3 is the numerator.
Yes, 3 is the numerator. And what is the denominator? It is the total number of
10.
parts. Means how much chocolates you are having in your pocket.
10.
That is called denominator. Means total number of anything is called denominator. One more way is there to show the fraction in mathematics. It is a upon b. A is a numerator and b is a denominator. Here you can denominator, we cannot write 0 in the denominator. We cannot write 0 in the denominator. Okay, can you tell me, is it correct fraction?
No, sir. No.
Why it is not correct?
Because in denominator there was a 0 and numerator there was a 1. We have 0
Okay,
chocolates.
in numerator there is 1. Okay, in numerator there is 1. In the denominator there is 0. If you are not having anything in your pocket, if you are not having any chocolate in your pocket, how can you eat
One
the chocolate?
chocolate.
Is it possible?
No.
Is it
No,
possible
sir.
if you are not having anything?
No, sir.
No. Yes. So in the denominator, what should be not there?
0.
Zero must be not there. Okay. You can write any whole number. You all are familiar with the whole number. Whole number means the number which is a complete, which is having some value. 0 is also having value. If we write next to the 1, next to the 2, but if we write only 0, so 0 will not have any value. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to learn about the types of fractions. In that, like fraction is there and unlike fraction is there. You may be thinking about what is like fraction and unlike fraction. Now what is like fraction? That we'll see. in the first square, how many parts are there?
1/4. 4 parts.
Okay, 4 parts are there. Out of 4 parts, how many are colored?
1 part. 1/4.
1/4.
Okay, so what we do in the fraction, we write total number of parts in the denominator. Okay, out of 4 parts, how many are colored?
1 part.
1 part.
1 part, that will come in the numerator. Okay, so this is the fraction of first diagram. What is the second fraction?
2/4. 2/4.
2/4 means out of 4 parts 2 are colored, so we can write this diagram or this figure into the fraction form, that is 2/4. Very good. Next to it,
3/4.
what is it? 3/4 is there. Good, very good. So can you see what is similarity between these three
In
fractions?
denominator there was a 4.
Are same.
Very good, very good, very good. In all these fractions, denominator is same. Okay, so when the denominators are same, that time what type of fraction we call to them?
Like
They are
fraction.
Like fraction.
called like fractions. What do we call to them? Like
Like
fraction.
fraction.
Now just come to the next diagrams which you can see here. Circle. See the first circle. How many
1/2.
equal parts are there?
2.
Okay, 2 will come in the denominator. Okay, how many are colored there?
1 part.
1.
1 part. Okay, if I ask you how many parts are not colored, then also you can say 1/2.
1. 1.
Okay, so we can write fraction for the colored part also, and we can write fraction for uncolored part also. Okay, what is the next fraction?
2/3.
2/3. Good, very good. What is the next?
3/4.
3/4. Now just tell me, do all the denominators equal?
No.
Same?
No, sir.
Different
Yeah.
Different.
Yes. So this type of fractions are called
Unlike fraction.
fraction.
unlike fractions. Very nice. Excellent. So now you are familiar with like fraction and unlike fractions. Now you need to convert this unlike fraction into the like fraction. Can anyone can you convert this fraction into the like fraction?
We can give it 1 part, so there was a 3, it become 4.
Okay, see, in such type of fraction, when both the fractions are unlike, that time what you need to do, you need to convert the denominator, you need to make the denominators equal. Whatever the denominator which you can see here, you need to make equal. In the first fraction, what is the denominator here?
4. 4.
4. In the second fraction, what is the denominator there?
3.
3. I think in scholarship you people are having LCM, that is lowest common multiples. In the lowest common multiple, what do? We make what? We find such a number which comes in the table of both the number. If I write here 3 times table, and if I write here 4 times table, which number do you see here which is common in the 3 times table
12. 12.
as well as 4 times table? It is what? 12, right?
Yes.
So we need to find out the LCM of denominator. Okay, so if I want to make equal denominator, what I have to do, I have to multiply this denominator by what? When does 12 come in the 4 times table?
3.
3s are 4, 3s are 12. If I am multiplying denominator by 3, I have to multiply numerator by the same number. Okay. Now tell me, 3 3s are how much?
9.
9.
9. And 4 3s are how much?
12.
12. Okay. Now just come to this fraction 5 upon 3. In the table of 3, when does 12 come? Okay. So can you compare this both the fraction after making denominator equals? So what type of fractions are these? Like or unlike?
Like.
Like. Why?
Like.
Because their denominators are
Same.
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 Okay, their denominators are same. Now convert the following unlike fraction into the like fraction. Again we are having one more example. Can anybody convert this into the like fraction? What we have to do? We have to make the denominators equal. Okay, so again as I told you, find out the LCM of both the denominators in 5 times table and 7 times table. Which number is there which is common, which comes in the both the table? 5 sevens are how much? 35. And 7 fives are how much?
35.
35.
5 sevens are 35. Okay, and you can take the next fraction, that is 6 upon 7. 7 fives are how much?
35.
35.
So what we are getting here? 4 sevens are
35.
20.
Sorry,
28.
28.
And 5 sevens are
35.
35. And in this 6 fives are 30. 7 fives are 35. What are the denominators here?
35.
Are denominators same?
Yes.
Yes. So we can easily convert unlike fraction into like fraction. But what we need to do? We need to make the denominators equal. Okay, we need to find their LCM. Okay. Now next to this, now we are going to compare the fraction which are having equal denominators. Okay, the denominators which are equal. Okay, so in such type of fractions we are going to compare. Can you see these 3 examples over here?
Yes.
Yes.
Which is the greater fraction here? Can anybody say?
First
7.
one. First
First
one.
one is a greater. First one is a greater. Okay, so anybody else? First one is not right, beta.
7 upon 8.
Yes, 7 upon 8. 7 upon 8 is the greater fraction. Okay, now how it is a greater, that we'll see in the next. Okay, can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, all these 3 diagrams are having equal length, equal breadth, means all the diagrams are same, but what is the difference? What is the difference over here?
Numerator is different.
See, all these 3 diagrams are divided into how many equal parts?
8.
8 equal parts. You can see in the first. Out of 8 parts, how many are colored?
3.
3.
3 parts are colored. So what is the fraction of this diagram? 3 upon 8. What is the next?
5 upon 8.
5 upon 8 is there. What is the next?
7 upon 8.
Excellent, excellent. See, all these diagrams, all these figures are having equal length. Means it is a fraction. It is a fraction. But in this fraction, when all the diagrams or when all the figures are divided into the equal parts, means if they are having 8 equal parts, okay, and out of 8 if you are taking more parts, So that time, which fraction is greater over here?
7 upon
1
8.
upon 8.
Okay, you can easily see here 7 upon 8 is a greater. Okay, because more parts are colored as compared to other two. Okay, now next to this, can you tell me which fraction is bigger here now?
Second one.
What is the second one?
4 upon 6.
Yes, 4 upon 6 is a greater. Now all these fractions are having same denominator, but what we need to see, what is the numerator, which fraction is having bigger numerator. So which is the bigger number over here? 1,
4.
2 or 4? 4. Okay, so middle fraction, that is 4 upon 6 is bigger fraction as compared to 2 upon 6 and 1 upon 6. Next to this, when the fraction having different denominators, when fraction is having different denominator but they are having same numerator, now what is change over here? Numerators are same, but what is different?
Denominator.
Denominator is different. So when such type of fractions are there, and when you need to compare, that time what we have to do? Can you tell me what is there? Can you read the fractions?
4 upon 10,
10.
4 upon 8.
Okay.
4 upon 6.
Okay, very good. 4 upon 10, 4 upon 8 and 4 upon 6. In all these fractions, numerators are same. But what is different?
Denominator.
Denominators are different. Very good. Now you have to compare them. What we had studied before this, when the denominators are equal and when we are comparing, that time what we need to see, their numerator, the fraction which is having bigger numerator, that is a bigger fraction. But in this type of question or in this type of fraction, numerators are same and denominators are
4 upon
different.
10 is smaller.
4 upon
10.
Yes. Who said this, beta? Very good. What's your name, beta? What's your good name?
Aditya.
Very nice. Very nice. Excellent, Aditya.
4
4 upon 10. 4 upon 10 is a smaller. He said that. Okay. Okay. Good. How do you answer this question, beta?
Because my tuition teacher had teach me that in
Okay. Yeah. Say your answer.
that in fraction when denominator is different and numerator is same, so which is the bigger denominator is smaller.
Excellent.
And
When
smaller
the numerators are same, that time you need to see which denominator is bigger. So whatever the fraction which is having bigger denominator, that fraction is what? It is smaller. Okay, understood? Excellent. Now, can you compare this? Now there are two fractions, 4 upon 5 and 4 upon 7. Now you need to compare the fraction by using these three symbols, or you can say sign. First one is equal to, second one is less than, third one is bigger than, or you can say greater than.
Sir, what is
Now,
first one?
first one is equal. Equal
And
means
second
same,
one?
beta. Means
Second
right hand
one?
side and left hand sides are equal. Second one is less than, or you can say smaller than. Third one is greater than, or you can say it is bigger than. So can you read this fraction? What is this?
4 upon 5.
4 upon 5, greater 1.
And what is this?
4 upon 7.
4 upon
Okay.
7.
Now what you have to do when you compare the fraction, that time you see the numerator. Are numerators same?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. When the numerators are same, then what we need to do? See the
Denominator
denominator.
C.
Which denominator is bigger here?
5, 4 upon 5.
4 upon 5.
Beta, my question was there. Which denominator is bigger, 5 or 7?
4 upon 7.
4 upon 7.
Beta, again listen the question. Which denominator is bigger, 5 or 7?
7.
Yes. So as I told you, the fraction, which is when we compare the fraction, that time you see the numerator. If the numerators are same, that time what you need to do? You need to see the denominator, and the fraction which is having bigger denominator, that fraction is smaller.
Smaller.
So which sign will come here in between these two fractions? Which is the bigger here?
4 upon 5.
4 upon 5 is bigger. Okay, so which sign will come? First one, second one, or third one?
Third one.
Third one.
Excellent. Very good. Third one. Now next to this. Now see, you can see how we can compare when unlike fractions are there. 4 upon 5 and 4 upon 7 is there. Okay. Fraction means what? They are having same length. They are having same what we can say, same length and same breadth. But what is the difference? That diagram is divided into different equal parts. In the first, the figure is divided into 5 equal parts. Out of 5, 4 are colored. In second, same diagram is divided into 7 equal parts, and how many are colored? 4.
4.
But what is the difference over here? Which is the bigger, first one or second? We can see here. Which is the bigger?
First one.
First one. What is that?
4 upon 5.
Which is the
4
first one?
upon 5.
Very good. 4 upon 5. Okay, very good, very good. Now next, there are two fractions again. Again, what we can see now, numerators are not same and denominators are not same. Both the fractions are totally different. Okay, what is the first one?
2 upon 3.
What is the second one?
3 upon 4.
3 upon 4.
Good. Now tell me which fraction is bigger here.
3 upon 4.
3 upon
Why?
4.
Why 3 upon 4 is bigger here?
Because there was a numerator was bigger.
Numerator is bigger, but beta, denominators are not same. So how can we say? Observe the picture, beta.
Sir, 2 upon 3.
Observe the picture. Which figure is having more colored part?
Second one.
Second one. So 3 upon 4 is bigger. But
Sir?
in mathematics, we will not get always figures. We'll get only figure. Means we'll get the fraction 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. At that time, you need to make the denominators equal. What you need to do?
To make
Make
the
the denominator equals.
equals.
Because denominators are different, numerators are also different. When the numerators and denominators are different, that time we have to make the denominators equal. Now tell me, what is the LCM of 3 and 4? Which number is there which is common in the table of 3 and 4?
12.
12. Okay, in the table of 3, when does 12 come?
4 are.
4.
four,
So we have to multiply numerator and denominator by the same number, that is 4. Okay, and in the table of 4, when does 4 comes? When does 12 comes?
3 sir.
Okay. So 2 fours are how much?
2 4s are 8.
And 3 fours are how much?
12.
Okay. 3 threes are how much?
9.
And 4 threes are how much?
12.
Now both the denominators are,
Same.
means both the
Equal.
fractions are having same denominator. Now what we have to do? We have to see the numerator. Which is the numerator which is bigger over here? 9. So which
9.
fraction is bigger here?
9 upon 12.
12. Okay. So 9 upon 12 is the converted part of 3 upon 4. Okay, that's why 3 upon 4 is bigger here. Now next to this, now we are going to see how to add like fraction. Okay, how to add like fraction. Now what is the first fraction here? Can you tell?
2 upon 9. 4 upon 9.
Good.
1 upon 9.
Plus
But in between all these fraction, which sign is there?
Plus.
Okay, next, what is the next fraction?
4 upon 9.
Next.
Plus
1 upon 9.
1 upon 9.
Now all these fractions are having what?
Same denominator.
Same denominator.
Excellent. Same denominator. When there is same denominator, we have to take common denominator. 9. And what is there in the numerator? 2 is there,
2, 4,
4 is
1.
there, and 1 is
1.
there. Okay. And what we have to do? We have to
Plus.
add all these numerator. So 2 plus 4 plus 1.
7.
7. So what is the answer of this fraction?
7 upon 9.
7 upon 9. Excellent. Very good. So when we add like fraction, what we have to do? We have to take the denominator which is common as it is, and we have to add the numerator.
Numerator.
Okay. Now next to this, subtraction of like fraction. Same method is there. Nothing is changed. Subtraction of like fraction. Okay. In addition, you have carried addition. In subtraction, we need to only subtract. Can you read the first fraction here?
Yes.
6 upon
Okay.
13.
6 upon
Okay.
13.
6 upon 13 is
minus-
there. Okay.
Minus 3 upon 13.
3 upon
Good.
13.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Excellent. So in this type of subtraction, when the fractions are having same denominator, we need to write common denominator. What is the common denominator?
13.
13. Okay, and now we need to write the difference of both the numerators. What is the difference of both the numerators?
6, 3.
3 and 6.
6 minus 3. What
3.
comes?
3.
3.
3 upon 13.
In the denominator, what will come?
13.
13. So can you subtract this fraction when the fractions are having same denominator? Can you carry
Yes,
out the subtraction, beta?
No, sir.
You cannot carry out?
Sir, we can.
Okay, good. You can. Very nice. Now see the
3 minus 13 is equal to
no, you can see here. You can see here, beta. This was the example. Okay, in such type of subtraction, you need to write down common denominator. Okay, because in both fractions, 13 is a common. Okay, then what we have to do, we have to carry out the difference of numerator. What is the difference of numerator? 3. So you can write answer 3 upon 30. Now subtract. Can you subtract, beta?
Yes, sir.
What is the first?
8 upon 10.
8 upon 10.
Next.
Minus 5 upon 10.
Okay, what will be the answer?
3 upon 10.
3 upon 10.
3 upon 10.
8.
Okay, what you did, beta?
I have minus 8 and 6. 8 and 5.
I have
Why?
subtract.
I have because the denominator is same.
Yes, because the denominators are same. So 8 minus 5, 3. And we write denominator,
3 upon 10.
3 upon 10.
yeah, 10. So 3 upon 10 is the
Answer.
answer of this subtraction. Good. So can you carry out the subtraction of second one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the answer?
Sir, 1 minute. Huh?
5
5 upon 25.
upon
5 upon 25.
You
5 upon
people are
25.
really excellent. Good. Very good. Very good. Excellent, beta. Excellent. It is
5 upon 25.
5 upon 25.
okay. Very good. 5 upon 25 is the answer. Good. Very good. Because denominators are same. Now next to this. Now you have the difficult one question over here. Adding and subtraction of unlike fraction. Now the fractions are not same. Means not same means they are not like. Okay, now you have to add them. How you will add, beta? What is the
Sir,
fraction here?
2 upon 7.
2 upon 7
Plus?
plus
1 upon 3.
Now are
3 upon 10.
they like fraction or
upon
unlike
10.
fraction?
unlike fraction.
Unlike fraction.
Okay, unlike fraction. So in unlike fraction, what we do? We make the denominators
Equal.
equal. Okay, so what we have to do? What is the LCM of 7 and 3? Which number is there? Which is there in the both the tables? 7 times table and 3 times table. Which is the common number? 7 threes are how much?
7 3s are 21. 21.
And 3 sevens are?
21.
21.
So both the numbers are having same number in their table.
Yes.
Okay. So if I want to make 21 common denominator, what I have to do? I have to multiply this 7 by what for making 21?
3.
3. I have to multiply these both numerator and denominator by 3. Okay. After this, what is the next fraction? 1 upon 3 is there. For making equal denominator, I will multiply this 3 by which number? By
7.
7. Okay. Now 2 3s are how much?
3 to
What, sir?
6.
2 3s are
6.
2 3s are 6.
7 3s are
7 3s are 21.
21.
okay. 1 7s are
1 7s are 7.
1
and 3 sevens are
3 7s are 21.
so what are the denominators?
What,
Are
sir?
they same?
Yes, sir. 21 21.
So both the fractions are having same denominators when the denominators are same, that time we take common denominator.
3 upon
Okay.
21.
And we add the numerator 6 plus 7.
7.
Okay, so what will be the answer? 6 plus
13.
7, how much?
13.
13 upon.
21.
So this is your addition of unlike fraction. Okay, let me erase this. Next, you can see here example which is solved over here. Okay, this is the second method. Okay, you can use this method also. In this method, what you need to do, you need to
multiply denominator.
yes, you need to carry out the cross multiplication, means multiply this numerator, the numerator of first fraction, with the denominator of second fraction, that is 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, after that, what is there in between both the fraction? Plus sign is there. Then carry out the multiplication of denominator of first fraction with numerator of second fraction. What is that? 7 multiplied by 1. After this,
Sir, your voice is not coming.
So your voice is not coming.
so carry out the multiplication of numerators. 2 3s are 6 plus 7 1s are 7 and 7 3s how much?
21.
21. 6 plus 7 is 13 and we have here denominator 21. Okay, so in this way also you can carry out the addition of unlike fraction. Now can you subtract unlike fraction?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll take the example here. 4 upon 6 is there minus 3 upon 5. Now both the fractions are having different denominators.
Yes.
What is the first step? Make the denominators same.
Same.
Okay. Now in the table of 5 and 6, which is the common number?
30.
30. Okay. In the table of 6, when does come 30?
5, sir.
5 is. Okay, good. After this, which sign is there? We are carrying out the subtraction. Write down the next fraction, that is 3 upon 5. In the table of 5, when does come 30?
6.
6 are. 5 6 are 30. Good. Okay, what is the multiplication of 4 and 5? 4 5 are how much?
20.
20. 6 5 are how much?
30.
30.
Good. Minus 3 6 are
3 6 is equal to 18.
18.
and 5 6 are.
5 6 are 30.
30.
So what is the denominator? Both the fractions are having
Same denominator.
Denominators are
okay.
same.
Good, good, good. Now
2 upon 30.
what is the
30.
answer?
2 upon
30. Okay, 2 upon 30 is the answer. But beta, we can write in simplest form also. Okay, but in this lecture we will not see. In next lecture we'll see how to convert the fraction into simplest form. Okay, very good. Now you can see the example which is solved over here. The answer is what? What is the answer?
2 upon 30.
Okay. Now how to reduce this 2 upon 30 into the simplest form? Okay. Which number is there in the numerator?
2.
2. So you have to divide both the numerators and denominators by 2. Reason behind dividing both the numbers by 2 is that in 30, what is there in the unit place?
What, sir?
in 30, what is there in unit place?
0.
0. So when any number which is having 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its unit place, that number is divisible by 2. So we will divide this 2 and this 30 by 2. So in the table of 2, when does come 2? 2 ones are
2.
2. Okay. Now if I divide this 30 by 2, do you know division? How to carry out the division?
Yes, sir. 15.
What will be the answer? Beta?
15.
If I divide
15.
15. 15. So what is the simplest form of 2 upon 30? It is 1
1
upon
upon 15.
15. So you can write 2 upon 30 also and 1 upon 15 also. Okay. Now next to this, can you subtract this? 6 upon
Yes, sir.
7
Yes,
minus
sir.
4 upon 5. Good.
Yes, sir.
Will tell me the answer of this question, beta.
Sir, can I?
Yeah.
Sir, 1 minute, huh?
Yes. Carry out fast. Okay, beta. We'll solve here on the screen only. You just answer the question.
Okay, sir.
What are the denominators?
7
7
and
and
5.
are they same?
No, sir. We
They are
have to
different.
equal the denominator.
We have to make the denominators equal. We have to equal the denominators. Okay. In your language, you just said make denominators equal. So in the table of 7 and 5, which is the number which is common? Tell me the number which comes in the
35.
table of 7 also
35.
and 5 also. 35. Okay, in the table of 7, when does come 35?
5, sir.
Good. So multiply numerator and denominator by 5. In the table of 5, when does come 35?
What,
7s
sir?
are. In the table of 5, when does come 35? 5 7s are 35. 6 5s are how much?
6 5s are 30.
7 5s are
10 5s are 35.
5.
4 7s are
28.
28.
5 7s are.
5 7s are 35.
35.
So now denominators are
35.
Same.
Say equal.
same,
2
equal.
upon 35.
Yes. So 30 minus 28 is what? 2.
2
And
upon
what is the
35.
denominator?
35.
So your answer is 2 upon 35. Okay. Good. Next. So you can find out the 1/4 part of anything, half part of anything, 3/4 part of anything. Okay. So when such type of questions are there, that time what you need to do? What is there? Can you read this, beta?
Yes, sir. 1 upon
Read
4.
this.
1 upon 4.
Fourth of group of 20 dots is equal to 1 upon 4 is equal to 20 multiplied by 1 upon 4 multiplied by 20 upon 4 is equal to 5.
Okay, beta. I just said to read this one. Okay, very good. Very nice. 1/4 of group of 20 dots. Suppose if you people are having 20 dots in your notebook and you need to find out the 1/4 part of 20 dots. Okay, so what we'll do? First of all, write 20 dots or draw 20 dots here. Out of these 20 dots, you have to make 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts.
5.
This is the first part, second part, third part, fourth part. Okay,
5.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just 1/4 means what? Out of these 4 parts, you need to find how many dots are there in first part? How many
Five.
dots are there? 1,
Five.
2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the 1/4 part of 20 dots?
5.
5 is there. Okay. But beta, in mathematics, when such type of question comes, that time you need to find out what thing is there in the question. Here is off. Off means what? You need to carry out the multiplication. Okay. 1/4 part of 20 means off. What is the meaning of here? Off means
Multiply.
multiplication. Okay. When there is a off word, you need to carry out multiplication. So 20 multiple by how much part we need to find out? 1/4 part. So what we have to do? We have to carry out the multiplication of whole number with the numerator. 20 multiple by 1, how much?
20.
Upon 4. Now carry out the division. 20 divided by 4.
20 divided
What
by
is your
4.
answer? Yeah.
80.
When does come 20 in the table of 4?
20 in 4. 5.
4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4
Fives are-
3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are
20.
20. So what is the 1/4 part of 20?
5.
What? 5. Okay. So in this way we can carry out the multiplication, or we can find the any part of total number of dots. Okay. Next to this, now we'll see some examples. Now you have to answer the question. What is the answer of this addition of this fraction?
First one.
12 upon 40 plus 13 upon 40.
39
First
upon
one.
40. 39 upon 40.
Is it right?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the addition of numerators? 12 plus 13 plus 12. 12 plus 13 plus 14. What is the addition? It is 39. Okay, and the denominators are, so 12 plus 13 plus 14 is how much?
1 minute, huh, sir?
Already I wrote here.
39.
Okay, so the answer is 39. Yeah, and what is the denominator?
40.
So which option is correct over here?
First option.
First option is correct. Very nice. Good, very good, beta. You can see how we get the answer. Okay. Now next to this, which sign or which symbol will come in the boxes?
What, sir?
Which symbol or which sign will come in the boxes? First of all, compare these two fractions, 4 upon 7 and 4 upon 9. Are they denominators are same over here?
Sir. 1 minute, huh?
Now compare these two fractions. Numerators are same, but the denominators are different. When the numerators are same, that time which is the greater fraction?
4 upon 7.
Yes. So which side symbol will come or which sign will come?
On this side will
This
come
one
upon
or this one?
this one. 4 upon 7 1.
Which first one? First sign will come, na?
Huh.
4 upon 7 is greater than 4 upon 9. Okay. Now compare these two.
First one. Sorry.
Which sign will come?
24 upon 54.
24 4 upon
upon
54 is
54.
done. What will come in the boxes? What will come in the box? Second box. Okay, we'll compare. Now, both the fractions are having different denominators.
Denominator.
When the different denominators are there, that time what we do, we make denominators equal. Okay. Now, in the table of 9, when does come 54?
54 for that. Sorry.
No, 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 no.
For that.
In 9 times table, when does come 54?
For that.
9 6 how much, beta?
54.
Yeah. So if I carry out the multiplication, 4 6 are 24 and 9 6 are 54. Now compare these two fractions. Are they same?
Yes, sir.
So which sign will
Sir.
come?
Fourth option is equal to.
Yes. Fourth option is correct one. Very good. The first sign will come greater. Second.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Can you compare, beta?
What is the answer of this question?
What we have to do, sir?
You have to just see the diagram.
Yes, sir. Plus addition.
Now both the fractions.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Now both the diagrams are having equal parts.
Yes, sir.
How many equal parts are there?
5.
5. Both the diagrams are having 5 equal parts. In the first diagram, how many are colored?
3. 4 upon 10.
And in the second, how many are colored?
In second, 1.
1. Now carry out the addition. Now denominators are same. What we do when the denominators are same?
4.
We
5.
take common
4 upon 5. First option.
common denominators.
Option
First
number
option.
1.
3 upon 1 is how much? Very good. Option number 1 is correct.
Correct.
So in this way you can easily find the answers in your scholarship exam. Okay. So you can see how they have got the answer. Okay, the answer is 4.5. Now we are going to take evaluation. Okay, whatever the topics which we have studied today, I am going to ask you some questions. First of all, you need to see the question. Then tell me which is the correct answer. What is the fraction here?
23
23
minus 12.
What we have to do?
minus
We have to subtract.
23 upon 40 minus 12 upon 40. We have to subtract. Okay, what is the correct answer?
11
anybody
upon
say?
40. 11 upon 40.
Option number 2.
2. Option number 2. 11 upon
11
Yes,
upon
option
40.
number. Very good, excellent beta. 11 upon 40 is the correct answer. Next, now read the example. 4 upon 7 plus 8 upon 3. Now both the fractions are having different denominator and different numerator. At this time what we do?
We have to equal
We
the
make
denominator.
denominators.
Equal.
Okay. Okay. So what is the answer, beta?
Sir, just wait a 1 second. I want to solve.
What is the correct option? Yes. Okay, beta. Solve. I'll give you 15 seconds.
Yes, sir. Option number 1.
When the denominator, option number 1, when the denominators are not same, at that time we make denominators equal. So find out the LCM of 7 and 3, which is the number which comes in the table of 7 as well as in the 3. which is common.
Sir, option number one.
Option number 1 is not correct answer, beta. Make
Option number four.
denominators equal. Make denominators equal, beta.
Sir, option number four.
Beta, what we do in such type of addition, make denominators equal. In the table of 7, when does come? Okay, first of all, tell me which number is there, which is common in the 7 and 3. Do you know 7 times table
Sir,
and 3
option
times
number
table?
3. Option number 3, sir.
Option number 3. Okay, good, very good, very good. Excellent, excellent. Okay, in this way we can carry out the multiplication. So you can see 4 sevens are 28 plus 8 sevens are how much?
Sir, third option.
Sorry, 4 threes are 12, 7 threes are 21, 8 sevens are 56, and 3 sevens are 21. To carry out the addition of numerator, it is 68 and denominator is 21. So the third one is right answer. Good. Next, what is the answer? Which is the correct option?
Option number three.
Option number 3. Do you think that option number 3 is right? See, now denominators are same, beta.
Sir, I am telling the which you have answered in the previous.
What is the correct option? When 7 upon 250 minus 17 upon 250 is there, at that time what we do? Carry out the subtraction, beta.
Sir, first option. Sir, sorry, second option.
And
Second
Option
option.
One upon
Second
two.
option. Second option.
C.
Option number two.
Okay, what is the subtraction of? Okay, what is the difference of 67 and 17? It is 50.
50. Yes.
Okay, now try to find out the simplest form of this. This zero cut, this zero cut. Please remember there 5 upon 25. Now in the table of 5, when does come 25? 5 5s are 25 and 5 ones are 5. Divide numerator and denominator by 5. Okay, in the table of 5, when does come 5? 5 ones are. And this 25, 5 are. So what is the correct option? What is the correct option?
Option number one.
First one is the, yes, option number 1 is the correct answer. Second, what is the 2/7 of 21? 2/7 of 21. Carry out this. Multiply this 21 by 2.
Sir,
What will come? 42 upon 7. When does come 42? In the table of 7. 7, how many are 42? 7, 6 are much? 42. Okay, so what is your correct answer?
Option number four.
Yes, option number 4 is your correct answer. Now, how was today's lesson, beta? Did you understand about the like fraction, unlike fraction?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you understand how to convert denominators into equal? Okay. Today I'm going to give you this homework. Okay, you people will get this homework. You solve all these 12 examples which are based on addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fraction. Can you solve these questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can take the screenshot of this. Okay, thank you very much.
hello, sir. Ratilal sir.